Here I'm just setting up and putting on gloves. Then I add in distilled water. I'm making a 4 ounces bottle, so I need 84.8 grams of water. I added too much, so towards the end I removed some of the water. Now I'm adding in the base into a different container, then adding in the fragrance oil. I used 22.6 grams of base and 5.65 grams of fragrance oil at a 5% fragrance load. Now you blend the base and fragrance oil, then add in the water. Add the mixture to the bottle of your choice. Remove the funnel and add the top, and just like that you have your very own linen and room spray. Now it's time to label.